Hi, my name is Jen Vondenbrink, and this is a short video to help you learn how to use LinkedIn Stories. LinkedIn Stories are the same on LinkedIn as they are on other platforms. They are available for 24 hours for people to be able to view, and they're very easy to access and to update. All you want to do is go to your picture at the top where the plus sign is. When you click the plus sign, it will bring you over to this screen here where you can then add the pictures that you'd like. You can take pictures. So I'm going to choose a picture from my file. Here you go. And then you have the ability, once you have the picture all set, to add in any text. So as I click the text button, here is the text. Or if you want to add a sticker, you can click the sticker button and add a sticker. So once you're done with that, then you go ahead and click share story. And now your story is shared and you see a blue circle around your picture. Very, very easy to do, but a great way to be able to share information with your LinkedIn connections. Thanks everyone and have a great day.